From fighter jets to passenger planes, the skies above us are witnessing a worrying trend: an increase in aviation incidents. These incidents are not isolated to one type of aircraft or one region. They are happening globally, affecting both military and civilian aviation sectors. These incidents, ranging from minor mishaps to catastrophic crashes, are raising serious questions about the safety of our skies. Each event, whether a small technical glitch or a major disaster, underscores the vulnerabilities in our aviation systems. The U.S. Air Force, in particular, has been grappling with a string of accidents, prompting concerns about pilot training, maintenance protocols, and the overall readiness of its fleet. These issues are not just about equipment, but also about the human element, the pilots and crew who operate these complex machines. But this issue extends beyond military aviation. The civilian sector, too, has seen its share of near misses and tragic accidents. Commercial airlines, which millions of people rely on daily, are facing similar challenges that threaten the safety of passengers and crew. This pattern is concerning for several reasons. It suggests that there may be underlying systemic issues that need to be addressed urgently. It points to potential systemic issues within the aviation industry, issues that could have devastating consequences if left unaddressed. Regular maintenance and safety checks are crucial, but they may not be enough if there are deeper, more pervasive problems. The frequency of these incidents, coupled with the increasing complexity of airspace and the constant pressure to maintain operational tempo, creates a volatile mix that demands our immediate attention. Air traffic controllers and pilots are under immense pressure to ensure safety in increasingly crowded skies. The safety of passengers, crew members, and those on the ground depends on our ability to understand and mitigate the factors contributing to these incidents. Emergency response teams are always on standby, but prevention is far better than cure. We must approach this issue with a sense of urgency and a commitment to finding solutions. This involves collaboration across the industry, from engineers to pilots to regulatory bodies. This is not just about statistics or technicalities, it's about lives. Each incident leaves behind grieving families and communities, reminding us of the human cost of these tragedies. Every incident is a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of robust safety protocols. Investigations into these incidents are crucial for learning and preventing future occurrences. It's about ensuring that the marvel of flight, which connects us across continents and cultures, remains a symbol of progress, not peril. We must strive to make the skies safer for everyone, preserving the wonder and convenience of air travel for future generations. The incident at Naval Air Station North Island on February 12, 2025, serves as a stark example of the dangers lurking in the skies. This day will be remembered for the near-tragic event that unfolded, shaking the very core of military aviation safety protocols. An EA-18G Growler, a sophisticated electronic warfare aircraft, crashed during landing, sending shockwaves through the military and civilian communities alike. The Growler, known for its advanced capabilities, suddenly became the center of a dramatic and tense situation. Fortunately, the two-person crew managed to eject safely, escaping with minor injuries. Their quick thinking and training undoubtedly saved their lives, turning what could have been a fatal disaster into a close call. However, the incident could have easily resulted in a catastrophic loss of life and significant damage to the surrounding area. The proximity to residential zones added an extra layer of urgency to the emergency response. The Growler, assigned to Electronic Attack Squadron, VAQ-132, was returning from a routine training mission when the incident occurred. These missions are designed to prepare pilots for real-world scenarios, but this was an unexpected and unwelcome twist. Witnesses described seeing the aircraft approaching the runway at an unusual angle, followed by a loud bang and a plume of smoke. The sight was both terrifying and surreal as the reality of the situation set in. The crash site, located just off the runway and disturbingly close to a residential area, underscored the potential for collateral damage in such incidents. The community's proximity to the airbase highlighted the delicate balance between military operations and civilian safety. While the exact cause of the crash is still under investigation, early reports suggest a possible mechanical failure. This has prompted a thorough review of the aircraft's systems and maintenance records. This incident, regardless of the final determination, serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks associated with military aviation. The dangers are ever present, and constant vigilance is required to mitigate them. It also highlights the importance of thorough investigations, rigorous maintenance schedules, and comprehensive pilot training in preventing future occurrences. Ensuring the safety of both military personnel and civilians is a responsibility that cannot be taken lightly. In the wake of the Growler crash, it's important to differentiate between the EA-18G Growler and its more widely known cousin, the FA-18 Super Hornet. Both aircraft are twin-engine, carrier-capable, multi-role fighters, sharing a similar airframe and some systems. However, their roles and capabilities differ significantly. The FA-18 Super Hornet, as its designation suggests, is primarily a fighter and attack aircraft. It's designed for air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and close air support. The Growler, on the other hand, is a specialized electronic warfare platform. It's equipped with advanced electronic jamming systems designed to disrupt enemy radars and communications, effectively blinding their defenses and protecting friendly forces. While the Growler retains some air-to-air combat capabilities, its primary mission is not to engage in dogfights, but to control the electromagnetic spectrum, creating a tactical advantage for friendly forces. The recent crash at North Island, while involving a Growler, should not be misconstrued as indicative of any inherent flaws in the Super Hornet design. The two aircraft, though visually similar, have distinct roles and operational profiles, each serving unique purposes. The North Island incident, while significant, is unfortunately not an isolated one. It stands as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that exist within our aviation systems. A series of aviation mishaps in recent months has cast a long shadow over the industry, raising concerns about a potential trend. These incidents have not only affected the confidence of passengers, but have also put immense pressure on regulatory bodies to enhance safety measures. These incidents, ranging from near collisions to fatal crashes, underscore the complexities of air travel and the importance of constant vigilance. The role of air traffic controllers, pilots, and ground staff has never been more critical in ensuring the safety of every flight. On January 28, 2025, a Boeing 737 MAX operated by Southwest Airlines experienced a near mid-air collision with a Cessna 172 over Burbank, California. This incident has sparked debates about the adequacy of current air traffic control systems. The incident, attributed to air traffic control error, resulted in a near-vertical maneuver by the Boeing jet to avoid a collision, leaving passengers and crew shaken. The quick thinking and skill of the pilots averted what could have been a catastrophic event. On February 5, 2025, a Eurocopter AS-350 helicopter crashed in the French Alps, killing all 5 people on board. This tragic event has once again brought to light the inherent risks associated with aviation. The cause of the crash is still under investigation, but initial reports suggest a possible mechanical failure. Investigators are meticulously examining every piece of evidence to determine the exact cause and prevent future occurrences. These incidents, occurring in different parts of the world and involving different types of aircraft, highlight the global nature of aviation safety concerns. They emphasize the need for international cooperation and stringent safety protocols. They serve as grim reminders that accidents can happen anywhere, anytime, and that complacency has no place in the skies. Continuous improvement and vigilance are essential to ensure the safety of all who take to the air.